going on, guys? Today I'm going to be telling you 5 things I wish I knew when I was a beginner designer. Alright, starting off on number 1 is not knowing the shortcuts. I will say you learn them over time. However, the faster you do learn the shortcuts, the faster your designs will take, and time is money when you are a full-time designer. If you don't know at least the basic shortcuts, I would definitely look them up, as they save a lot of time when I'm designing. It's not really a mistake, I just wish I knew a lot more of the shortcuts I know now back then. That way I would have saved more time. Number 2 is going to be alignment. Alignment is so important in designs. If your alignment is off, then everyone will notice and the design will look unpleasing even if the design itself is awesome. There are so many great tools in Photoshop that you can use to help align, such as the rulers. If you don't have them, just Control R and they should pop up. Then you can click them into place, which would be the center. And that's how I align my objects. Say I'm doing an ad for a product, I align it in the middle, just using the rulers alone. But there's also tons of other tools for alignment. Number 3 is going to be smart objects. If you put it on a layer and it's too small and you want to resize it, if you turn it into a smart object, then resize it, it won't lose as much quality. Smart objects are also used to add filters to that layer. And overall, you just want majority of your layers to be smart objects because smart objects are goated. Now, all 5 of these mistakes kind of correlate within each other, and you kind of see it as like I go on and on. But the number 4 thing is not lighting the main object correctly. Now, there is a ton of way to light the main object within your design. I personally use 3 ways. The first way is clipping mask the subject, grab the color I want and brush it on with a soft brush. It looks okay, not the best way though. I personally use this website called ClipDrop and it works wonders. But this website's amazing. You grab the color you want and you can drag it around wherever you want on the object. This is the best way to light any object you want. The third way is a great thing to use with ClipDrop, and it's the 5th thing, which is camera raw filter. Camera raw filter is a great way to adjust the lighting of the object. I didn't know about camera raw for a long time when I first began designing, and I wish I would have known sooner because it is amazing. Camera raw can be used for so many other things other than the main object also. I use it for final touches, backgrounds, people, objects, anything. Literally, I love camera raw filter. The camera raw filter is also the best filter you can add in Photoshop. Hands down, like my favorite filter ever to use. And I can use it in literally every design because something in my design is always going to need like a little bit of tweaking to make it pop more. Or maybe I have to darken the background a little to make the object or the person pop more. So I love my camera raw filter, and it's definitely the best filter to use in Photoshop, and I wish I would have learned about it sooner. That is it for this video. If you made it this far, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what else you would like to see from me. I appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video. Peace.